I'm going to show you how to cast a spin cast setup. Why is this a spin cast setup? The rod guides and the reel sit on top of the rod. To cast a spin cast setup, make sure you're in the correct casting position. With your dominant hand, you're going to make your first cast. To begin, unhook your lure and leave about 6 to 12 inches of line hanging from the end of your rod. Make sure your back cast is clear and there's nothing behind you. Now you're going to begin your cast. First, you press your thumb to the reel button and hold it. Then you make your cast. When you go forward with your cast, you let your button go and the line is going to come off the reel. When your lure hits the water, let it sink for 5 to 10 seconds, engage the reel, and start reeling your lure in.
Ooh! Nice little crappie. And then, that's what you get.